If Steam is giving you a download error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best fixes step by step so you can get your games downloading again as quickly as possible. These solutions are simple, safe, and they work for a lot of the most common Steam download problems, whether the issue is a stuck download, a failed update, corrupted files, or a connection problem. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first, clearing Steam's download cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings. From there, open the Download section. You should see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click that, and Steam may ask you to sign back in afterward. This step removes temporary download data that can sometimes get stuck or corrupted, and in many cases, it fixes the problem right away. After Steam restarts, try the download again and see if the error is gone. If the issue is still happening, the next thing to try is changing your download region. Sometimes Steam servers in your area may be overloaded or having problems, and switching regions can give you a faster and more stable connection. Go back into Steam settings, open Downloads again, and find Download Region. Click the dropdown and choose a different nearby location. It's usually best to select a region that's not too far away, but different from your current one. After changing it, restart the download and check if performance improves. Another fix that works surprisingly well is repairing your Steam library folder. This is useful if the storage location itself has a problem. To do this, open Steam settings and go to Storage. You'll see your drive listed there. Click the three-dot menu next to the drive, then choose Repair Folder. Steam will scan the library and try to fix any issues with the install path or permissions. Give it a few moments to finish, then test the download again. Now, let's check your network connection and DNS, because sometimes the problem isn't Steam itself, it's the connection to Steam servers. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. That clears your DNS cache and can help refresh your internet routing. After that, restart your modem and router so your network gets a clean reset. If you still think the connection is unstable, it's also worth checking whether your internet provider is throttling certain traffic, or whether a VPN or proxy is interfering with Steam. If you use one, try turning it off temporarily and testing again. Next, if the problem is happening with just one game, verify the game files. Go to your Steam library, right-click the game, and choose Properties. Then open Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will compare your installed files against the official versions and replace anything missing or corrupted. This is one of the best fixes if the download error is tied to a specific game or update, because it can repair damaged files without reinstalling everything manually. If you still can't get the download to work, temporarily disable any firewall or antivirus software you have running. Security tools sometimes block Steam or interfere with downloads in the background. Just make sure you only disable them briefly while testing and turn them back on right after. If the download starts working once they're off, you'll know the security software is the cause, and you can add Steam as an exception instead of leaving protection disabled. And if none of those steps solve it, a Steam reinstall may be the final fix. The good news is you do not have to delete your installed games. Before reinstalling, make sure you keep your Steam apps folder safe, because that folder contains your game data. Then reinstall Steam normally, sign back in, and point it to your existing library if needed. This can fix broken program files while keeping your games intact. So to quickly recap, the main fixes are clearing the download cache, changing your download region, repairing the library folder, flushing DNS, verifying game files, disabling interfering security software, and reinstalling Steam if needed. One of these usually resolves the issue and gets your downloads moving again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.